Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're well. In today's video, I will give you a small tutorial of how to set up categories in WordPress for your blog. So what you can do is straight away you come into your WordPress dashboard, you go to posts, and then you go categories. As you can see here, I don't have any categories present, but what you can do is to add a name or like products or resources, can be very common or whatever you want, something business management page or something like that. And then you have the slug, then you can give a category or something and then put the description below or whatever is this category. And then you can save it or add a new category and you can see it here. Now, anything you want to change or on your actually category, you can come here, press edit, and then you can, change and edit names or whatever. According to WordPress and any tech, people that know what they're doing, you cannot change the slang. So don't change that because it's going to be difficult for the people who navigate into your website to actually find the category, if you know what I mean. So, and you will have errors. So it's simple as that. Just create the category and then, if you want to change, you come here, it changes, like whatever you want, like maybe the name, or the name is fine, but not like the slang. So to make it a bit, easier for you. Another thing then you need to do is to make sure when you go to settings here, you go to permanent links. And you can actually see like the category, or you can make also any changes here on the main dashboard, the settings. So like for example here, you come here and have a product tag or product category, for example. And here also, as you can see, and then save the changes below. So it's simple as that you can see here an example. So you know how to do those changes. It's good to know how to, navigate on WordPress. So some of the simple things you can do yourself. And obviously, it's going to help you become a little bit more professional. And you also are an expert in your field. So that's it for me today, guys. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for your messages. Thank you very much for your likes. Don't forget that I still download every Thursday, and I wish you well. And if anything has changed, that because I'm preparing surprises for you, then I will let you know. Thank you very much.